Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about what not to do before you file Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Don't hide or conceal assets. There are things that you do before you file Chapter 7 bankruptcy that can cause you to lose your Chapter 7 bankruptcy discharge. If you're in business and you have floor plan financing where you've got a bunch of equipment from the supplier who agrees to give you the equipment subject to their lien, and then when you sell the equipment, you're supposed to pay the lien off. Buyer gets clear title, supplier gets their money, you get the difference. But what happens if the equipment dealer sells the equipment but doesn't pay the lien off? Well, now buyer has a piece of equipment subject to a lien. They're going to be upset. Supplier is going to be upset because they never got paid on the piece of equipment you sold. It's called defeating a security interest. It's a crime, and you're hiding and concealing assets. And that's a bigger scale example. It could be much smaller scale. You might have a restaurant. You might have $5,000 worth of equipment. It's subject to a loan. You're hard up for money, so what do? You bury the equipment, and when you need money, you dig it up and you sell it, and you keep the cash. You're hiding and concealing assets. You're defeating a security interest. These things will cost you your discharge. So my point is, do not hide, conceal, transfer assets with the intent to hinder, delay, and defraud a creditor before you file bankruptcy. When the time is right, when you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so happy you did. Have a good day.